Right, so the purpose of this video, first of all, is to help to try and save you money. Because at the end of the day, if you're only using OEM ribbons on your packaging lines for doing best before coding like this, that there's OEM ribbon, that is my ribbon there. So you've obviously been told only stick to the OEM ribbons because they're best and they're somehow superior to every other ribbon. Their ribbons have a special anti-static back coating on it, and it prolongs the printhead lifespan, etc., etc. So does my ribbon have an anti-static back coating on it. Best before dates are very small and inconspicuous. Chances of them being touched is very minimal, but even if they are, they will only be exposed to light touch or light rubbing, because the contents are in the packet and they act as a sponge. It's not a direct hard press. But even if it was exposed to harsh rubbing, but I'm going to show you something just to prove a point. And it's going to be an excessive test. There are other alternatives. We're one of them. Okay? So have a look at that. There's a best before date using an OEM ribbon. And I've overprinted with my ribbon on here. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to do an excessive rubbing test using a 2.9 kilo brick wrapped with microfiber cloth. And I'm going to lay this over the two prints. And I'm going to do 30 cycles of rubbing. Your chips would never, ever, your snacks, your sweets, whatever it is, would never be exposed to this kind of rubbing. So this is an excessive test just to see how durable that the ribbons are. Now remember, you're paying a fortune for the OEM ribbon. So if you're paying much more, you should be getting much more. So let's see if you are. So let me do 30 cycles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Open it up. And what do you see? Everything's still in place. That one's smudging a little bit. But there it is. I'm going to do 50 now. So we've already done 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Plus 30 is 50. So let's have a look. And let us zoom in a little bit closer. Now, if you have a look here, you can see which one has performed worse. That one there, it's practically gone. This ribbon is still pretty much intact. It is losing a little bit there. But that's after 50 cycles, 2.9 kilos, and a microfiber cloth. So if anyone says that their ribbon is far superior, I'm sorry to say that that's not true. So stop wasting your money on OEM ribbons. At the end of the day, we've got a ribbon that works. It's got the anti-static back coating on it. So you don't have to worry about static and all the good stuff. It will protect the printhead just the same because this ribbon comes from the same place at the end of the day. So hopefully that just enlightens you a little.